In this video, I'll show you how to fix GeForce experience not detecting your games. First thing, click on the Windows Start menu and type GeForce in the search bar. Right-click on GeForce Experience and select Run as an administrator. Once GeForce Experience is open, click on the Settings icon at the top right. Navigate to the Games and Apps tab and click on the Scan Now button. Make sure the scan location is set to where the games are installed. If your games are not detected, proceed to the next step. In the settings, go to Shield tab in the left and go to the Add button at the bottom. Navigate to the location of the game's X file. If you're unsure where the game is installed, you can find it. Select the game's executable file and add it to GeForce Experience. Now, go to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Select Windows Defender Firewall from the results. On the left-hand side, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings at the top right and select Allow another app. Click on Browse and navigate to the NVIDIA GeForce Experience X file. Select it and click Add. Now open GeForce and relaunch the games again and see if the problem is fixed. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.